Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and make a wish list on Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, you're gonna access a particular Amazon shopping app on your mobile phone, and now here in this home section you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So afterwards, if you would like to create yourself a wish list, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this me icon just given right below over here, and then go back. So here in this section you're going to find this option called your orders, buy again, your account, and your list option, right? Go ahead, tap on this your list option, and now you're going to find all lists that you have created, right? So if you would like to create yourself a wish list, you're going to tap on this plus icon just right over here, and now you're going to create yourself a list. Go ahead, simply add in the name, like let's say we have this name, need it, and tap on this create list. And now you can see we have created ourselves a list. We can tap on this invite and invite other people if it's for our family and stuff. If it's just for you, we're gonna go ahead, tap on this view lists, and we will be able to access other list of ours as well. And you can see here this list section, we can tap on this needed again, and when we go back here in this home section, we can tap on this particular product, and then when we can tap on this add to list option right over here, and now we get to choose in which one. Let's say I wanted this need to buy, and now it's added, and I can go back, go to here on my list. I will go back and tap on this need to buy, and I will find the product just right over there. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.